Hello, everybody. Black Canyon Groves here. So the gray one is Pigeon Queen Elizabeth. She's kind of psycho. She acts kind of crazy. We call her Lizzie, or just crazy sometimes. But then she could be really nice. And then that's Goldie Hawn chicken up there. They are walking around. They better not start eating mine. I'm here to do a video on blackberries. If they feed on anything low, I guess they can have it. But I'm so excited, man. Look at this. Look at that right there. I haven't looked at them in a while, but check this out. Maybe I can get in there. Yeah, look at that. Those are blackberries in Arizona, desert Southwest. Look at that. Part of being a gardener is getting excited about stupid stuff like this. Every once in a while, you just come back to your little place and see what's going on. Look at that. Ooh. Whoa. Nice job. Nice job, Pigeon Queen. Cameo by the Pigeon Queen. See, there's just a bunch of little ones. Oh, there's some red ones over there on the ground. You get an ugly old cord in the picture, but where are they at? See? Oh, yeah. Now those will turn almost a jet black. Got some flowers here. I really have to clean up all this grass. It's so hard. There's also a goji berry mixed in with this bush about 5 feet away from it. That's what those leaves are. And all that cane growth right there. But oh man, at the very top of this, I might have to, I don't know if I can get to it. There is just a whole, there we go. Look at that. Those are all blackberries. Beautiful. Now I have got to get at the base of this beautiful bush and the goji berry bush and clean out all of that grass, get all the dead canes out, feed it some compost, give it some mulch because the summer's going to come. And what happens in the summertime is these things got about a 2 week lifespan. The sun will just destroy them. So I want to pick them, even if I can't eat them, I'll freeze them. And then what's left turns into seed. I don't think I've sprouted any of these ever before, but yeah, that's blackberry right there. So I'll be learning how to take care of these. I'm not going to bore you guys with the AI videos. I don't know. Do you like the AI videos I've been making? A lot of information. I'm kind of over it already. Anything, I'll make them just to learn more about it, and then I'll talk to you guys about it. But so for those people who think that berries don't grow in the desert Southwest, now this is the side of the house where there's almost, you get little ambient morning sun. Not really, you get a little bit like an hour direct sun in the hot of the day, but after that, it's all shaded in the afternoon. The only place where these things would have survived. More so ambient throughout the day, 1 hour maybe direct sunlight after that. And the hottest part of the day, it's completely shaded on the side of the house, in between the wall and the house, or the porch and the house. Or the wall and the porch, I'm sorry. It's about a 10-foot span right here that these are in. That's just a shade wall that I have right here. But that's the only way I would be able to grow these two beautiful bushes. Now that goji has given me one berry in like all the years that I've been growing it. I've propagated it, I've planted it at every property I've been at. So I've never really taken it to the next level to get good goji berries, but I have a whole field of blackberries up there at the top of it. Just wanted to share. Black Canyon Groves, guys, thank you.